Best Sport Touring Motorcycle Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. Aprilia is rewriting the rules of sport touring with its latest marvel, the Tuono 660 Factory. Traditionally celebrated as a high-performance naked sport bike, the factory version has been reimagined to offer an enticing blend of race-inspired performance and touring versatility. With refined engineering and a host of advanced features, the Tuono 660 Factory is rapidly emerging as the best sport touring motorcycle in its class. At the core of the Tuono 660 Factory is a potent 660 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine that delivers exhilarating power, precise throttle response, and a distinctive Italian soundtrack. This engine is calibrated to provide ample torque and a broad power band that effortlessly handles both aggressive cornering on twisty roads and relaxed cruising on long highways. Its dynamic character not only thrills riders on spirited rides but also ensures smooth performance during extended touring adventures. Complementing its powerful engine is an array of cutting-edge electronics and refined riding aids. Multiple riding modes, an advanced traction control system, and cornering ABS work in harmony to adapt the bike's performance to various road conditions. These features, coupled with a state-of-the-art digital instrument panel, ensure that riders remain informed and confident, whether navigating city streets or embarking on cross-country journeys. While the Tuono 660 Factory's performance credentials are unmistakable, its design also speaks to its touring prowess. Aprilia has given this model an ergonomically enhanced seating position that minimizes rider fatigue during long rides. Although its naked styling retains the aggressive character the brand is known for, subtle tweaks to the chassis and suspension have improved overall comfort without sacrificing handling precision. A modest yet practical windscreen option further enhances long-distance comfort by reducing wind buffeting, making it more suitable for extended journeys. In addition to performance and comfort, the Tuono 660 Factory features an aesthetic appeal that captures the essence of Italian design. Its sharp lines and muscular stance exude confidence, while premium finishes and lightweight components highlight Aprilia's commitment to quality and innovation. For riders who demand a motorcycle that performs at the highest level and offers practical touring capabilities, this model is a compelling choice. Industry experts have already lauded the Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory as a game-changer. By seamlessly integrating track-level performance with long-distance touring comfort, Aprilia has created a machine that caters to both adrenaline junkies and globetrotting enthusiasts. As the sport touring segment continues to evolve, the Tuono 660 Factory stands poised to lead the way, proving that versatility and excitement can indeed go hand in hand.